Hello, it's your girl called Bellissima. Welcome back to Bellissima Kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm preparing baked potatoes and then chicken thighs in oven. It's very simple and delicious recipe. Everyone can try it at home. And you can even change the method that I'm using. Any ingredient that is available at the house, you can use it alongside with our salad. So let's start. So I'm starting by peeling my potatoes. Let's peel our potatoes. It's 7 pieces of potatoes. Depending the size of your family or the number of family in your house. So right now I'm cutting my potatoes into pieces or in cubes, any size that you want. Pepper, red bell pepper, yellow one. If you have all the colors, the green, you can use it. Everything in cubes, any size that you want. And delicious. It doesn't waste time to. I'm going to finish right now. And everything plus 1 onion. Everything has been washed. Then you remove it one by one. You can use any spices that you want at home. Right now I'm using potato spices. The oven one. Get the small one. Bring it. Paprika. 1 tablespoon of paprika, a little bit of your marshmallow, just a little, you spring it, oregano, a little bit of salt to taste. Mix it together. So, a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil. And then a little bit of your margarine or butter. Butter, whatever you call it. Wait for it to melt. Then we fry our potatoes a bit before we put it inside our oven. Everything inside my frying pan. Then fry it about 5 to 10 minutes. on a very low heat. Don't hide your flame. Just about 10 minutes later, so I'm transferring everything inside my oven pan. And put it inside my oven. I've already preheated my oven. Don't forget, when we are doing it, you preheated your oven. Then we are going to bake it for about 45 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius. So let's put it inside. It's going inside. I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to do the chicken thigh and then put it inside on top of. It's time for me to prepare my chicken. I'm going to fry it. Okay, so I'm using paprika, 1 tablespoon or teaspoon, not too much. It's okay. A little bit of black pepper. Ginger, the dry one, mix it just a little, a little, and then oregano, that's chicken spices, just a little one. Then you mix everything together. You add a little bit of salt to taste. You mix it. Bring it on top of your chicken. After, I'm going to use my hand to marinate it well. Turn it, you do the same thing to the other side too. I urge you to try it, it's very delicious. Going to fry it a bit, then we put it on top of our potatoes, adding the rest of my margarine, that's olive oil. Okay. Let's wait for the margarine to be melted. Let's fry our chicken. Try it to be golden brown. I want it to be golden brown. Let's turn our chicken. Let me check my potatoes. Oh la la, just look at it. Let's transfer our chicken. Okay. On top of it, and add a little oil. So let's stir it. Hello guys, whilst my potatoes and chicken inside the oven is getting ready, I have to prepare my salad. Let's prepare it together. You can cut it any size that you want, big or small size. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, share and comment. If today is the first time of watching this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. Finishing right now, and dinner will be served very soon. I'm adding my sweet corn. Then my tuna, a little bit of salt to taste, and a little bit of olive oil. Salad is ready. Hello guys, just look at our dinner. Our menu is ready. Going to serve ourselves. Very simple one, Don't forget to try it. And then you can use your own method too. You can change mine and add a little bit of yours to it. Very healthy. Look at the juicy on it. Very soft. Please, if today is the first time of watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment for your girl, okay? I really love each and everyone out there. I appreciate your love too. Thanks for watching, and then share it. I'm going to enjoy it. Very delicious. Please try it.